Excuse me, ladies? Ladies? Excuse me, ladies? I'm sorry. Did you say Servus? Servus. Where did you learn Servus? Where I learned in Budapest. Where do you learn it? French. Are you Hungarian too, yes? Hungarian? No, I'm not Hungarian. You were speaking Hungarian? Yes, indeed. Servus is Hungarian. Yes. Can I speak with you for just a minute? Yes. Is that okay? Sure. I'll be back. Here? It was very smart. Didn't want anyone to understand it, so it's difficult to explain. I want to show you something. This was their dictionary. These were the words. Bátorság. A csendességet, amit tartok a vékony ösvénytől, a mezőig, ez a legnehezebb. What? It's not a dictionary. What is it? It's